The eggs and breeding systems. We have two typology of eggs. Category A, eggs for human consumption. Category B, eggs for agro-industry. The eggs of Category A includes fresh eggs for consumption, which are distinguished from those that of Category B from stamping and due to the following characteristics. Shell and cuticle, normal shape, clean, undamaged. Air chamber, 8 not exceeding 6 mm, motionless. Yolk, visible at opening only as a shadow, without apparent contour. Albumen, clear, translucent. For game bodies, forbidden. For game smell, forbidden. The eggs of Category B includes second quality eggs or downgraded, exempted from marking obligations, intended for product processing of or other type of industries.
On the egg is present a code. The first number indicates farming method: 0 organic, 1 free range, 2 barn, 3 cage. Types of poultry farming in a cage: 3. The floor is a wire mesh. In fact, in the early weeks, spread sheets of paper on the floor is recommended to avoid the risk of injury. Benefits: major control, cleaner eggs. Disadvantages: lower productivity, higher investment costs. This legislative expected two types of cages. Disposition of non-overlapping, disposition California. The new directive expected larger cages, the presence of at least one nest in the cage, and the presence of perches. In recent years, the farms in the cage, both for the high cost of system but especially for the poor living conditions of the animals, were subjected to criticisms that have led farmers to move towards new types for farming.
Type of poultry farming on the ground 2. The admission of laying hens on the ground is a single-story shed, the most common system. It consists of a grid floor, inclined at the bottom, which is located the septic collection of manure. The floor is made from litter, from slat, mixed, litter and slat. Presence of nest of deposition, individual, 4 hens, collective, 60 hens. The chickens in the first week of life are in need of feed, which is supplied by eating the litter that could dehydrate, but keeping the local of artificial mothers.
Type of poultry farming, outdoor. Number 1. The type of outdoor rearing has characteristics in common organic livestock production. And then the hens have access to a shelter from the weather, with feeders and drinkers, and an open space where scratching. The main difference is the use of conventional reader than organic feed, cereals. Type of poultry farming, organic. Number 0. Organic farms are considered those characterized by the presence of hens rustic, preferably native, opportunity to go outdoors on farmland in an organic and perform to the best of their ethological behaviors. Power supply with organic feed 80%. The modern organic farms are equipped with warehouses, furniture, especially useful for distributing manure on different areas over the years to avoid the accumulation of ammonia.